Attention, ça filme.
Hello, today I will show you how to protect a small house from flooding with clay. With clay, which is a natural clay, easy to find. You can dig it, but I bought some. It's easier. So what we have here is a small glass house with where I have put clay on the seams. Now we're gonna flood it. Oh no, the rain is coming. It's flooding, and inside is a candle and my watch, and we will see if this water goes in. It's rising, it's flooding. What it's supposed to do is just hold off the water for a few hours until the flood water subsides, and hopefully it can protect your inside of the house. So as you can see, hey, it's holding, and since it's clay, it's not going anywhere. So what we do now is I take off this clay, right? I take off the protection under the door, under the window, and see, it's gone. Water is coming in, and there's your clay protection. Water coming in. There goes my watch. Bye bye. Thank you guys for watching. That's the end.